Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. If you're growing herbs such as parsley, fennel, carrots, radishes, celery, or even dill in your garden, most likely you are going to see caterpillars. So I was walking through my garden and I noticed that my parsley was turning yellow. And as you can see, I did some investigating and there it is. I saw this little beauty. It is a caterpillar, but it actually is a black swallowtail caterpillar. These butterflies not only grace your garden with their beauty, but they also are very important for pollinators. So I always like to see these caterpillars in my garden. In fact, I always plant extra zinnias and butterfly bush. In this area, you can't really see it because I just did a lot of pruning like 4 days ago. If you go back and you'll look, you'll see all the pruning that I did. I did make a video on that, but so I knew that there was one in there because I saw the yellow leaves and I was just like, where are you? And it was right there. Yeah, just one. Usually there's 10 to 20. You'll see them all clustered together, but that was just one. So if you want butterflies in your garden, don't kill the caterpillar. At least don't kill this caterpillar, the black swallowtail butterfly, and it's absolutely beautiful. The wings is black and yellow with blue and red, and I just absolutely love to see them in my garden. I did also notice this. I'm not sure if that is a wasp or a bee, but and I don't know what it's doing. It just kind of like went around in circles. So if anybody knows what this is, comment down below and let me know. But anyways, I felt so bad. I was like, should I? But I didn't know, like, should I help it or just leave it? So I just kind of left it there, but I don't know what it was doing. Like, I don't know. But if anybody knows what this is and what it was doing, feel free to let me know. It could have been eating. It looks like there's a little peanut shell, so maybe it's eating. I don't know. Let me know if you know. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this visual. Again, I just wanted to thank you for sticking with me. And I did not plan this video. I was relaxing. I spent the day in with my husband and we were just chilling. So, but I just saw the caterpillar and I just wanted to share it with you. And I've been seeing the swallowtail and the monarch butterflies all summer in my garden. And so this is a nice little visual. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be kind, be loving, stay healthy, and enjoy nature with your loved ones. Blessings.